Welcome to all. Today we will discuss the kinematic synthesis of mechanisms using graphical method. First one, two position synthesis of slider crank mechanism. Here is the question: synthesis a slider crank mechanism with eccentricity E is equal to 0.9 centimeter for the two input positions of input link theta 1 2 is equal to 56 degree and output displacement of slider S is equal to 1.6 centimeter. And this is the procedure. First, we have to draw two horizontal parallel lines x1 and x2 at a distance E, centimeter apart. E means eccentricity. Here, this is the detailed procedure. We can look into the figure. This is the final figure. Then we can discuss how we can draw this slider crank mechanism. Here, the first step is draw two parallel horizontal lines x1 and x2. These are two parallel horizontal lines. First line is this one and second one is this one at a distance of E. E is equal to 0.9 centimeter apart, eccentricity apart, at a distance of E apart. Here x1 and x2 both are two parallel lines. That is the first step. Then we can select any point arbitrary on x2, any point A, and name it as A. That point is the pivot point of the crank AB. Then first draw two parallel horizontal lines, then select any of the point on x2. Then in the next step we can draw two vertical lines, one passing through this particular point A, one passing through A, and name it as y1, then the second vertical line must be parallel to y1 and at a distance of 0.8 centimeter. That means that 0.8 centimeter means that's equal to S by 2, where S is the displacement of the total displacement of the slider during theta 1 2 of this crank or input crank. That S is equal to 1.6 centimeter in this particular question. S is equal to 1.6 centimeter in this particular question, so that the distance between y1 and y2 is equal to 0.8 centimeter. That's equal to S by 2 centimeter. Then in the next step, fourth step, we can draw a line PQ. Which is inclined theta 1 2 divided by 2. With y1. That means with this vertical line y1 which is passing through A. And PQ must passing through this particular point A. And we can easily draw that line PQ. Then the angle y1 AQ, this angle must be equal to theta 1 2 by 2. Here that is equal to 28 degree. Here given in the question as theta 1 2 as 56 degree. So that theta 1 2 by 2 is equal to 28 degree. So that we can easily construct this straight line PQ. Then in the next step, that's the fifth step. From P, draw a line PN intersecting line X1 at point C. At point C. Here we can find out this point P. That point P means the intersecting point of this line PQ and the vertical line Y2. Then this point will become that point P. Then in the next step we can draw any line PN, any line PN, and that line will intersect with x1 at point C. We can select this PN arbitrarily, because when we select this PN at a different position, we will get the different positions of point C. Okay, then after that we can locate this point C, which is the intersecting point of line PN and the horizontal line X1. Then we can easily locate this point C. Then in the next step, draw a line PM, which is inclined theta 12 by 2 degree with PN. We can draw a line PM which is inclined theta 12 by 2 degree with PN. Then draw this line, complete this line PM. Then we can select any point on this line PM as point B. We can select any point on this line PM randomly. Then connect ABC with thick lines, and that is the required slider crank mechanism. Okay, that is the answer. Thank you all.